Oluwakemi Akinlade, my legal practitioner. Congratulations on your birthday. I wish you long life and prosperity. Ìgbà ọdún kan ṣoṣo ni. Darling barrister Olúkẹ́mi Akínládé, ó kú oríire ọjọ́ ìbí ẹ̀ o. Ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ á ṣọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún láyé nínú ọlá ńlá pẹ̀lú àlàáfíà tó péye. My proud daughter, we are always very, very proud of you. Continue to make us proud. Make sure you rule the world of legal profession